Mga nagtatanong about the bonus program ng ating Meta. Actually, ina-invite lang talaga ako ni Meta. So, ayan, bumabagsak ang ating performance. So, yung bonuses, dito yun siya makikita. Ayan. Tapos, dyan mo rin makikita nga kung magkano na yung total approximate bonus earnings mo. So, alamin natin kung ano nga ba yung bonus earnings. Yan. Bagal ng net. Pasensya, loading. Ayan. Katulad nga po ng sabi ni Meta, only a select group of creators are invited to the performance bonus program at this time. So, the performance bonus program is an invitation-only program that gives creators the opportunity to earn money on interaction on their public Facebook post, excluding nga yung reels at saka stories. So, hindi po kasali yun. So, base doon sa mga reaction, shares, and comments, doon sa mga post mo, meron ka nang ma-earn. So, eligible content includes yung mga picture, text, live video, short and long form video, and any other public content except sa reels nga po at saka sa stories. So, ayan, only content created within 90 days of the start date of an earnings period and created after onboarding is eligible for the program. Only the first 3,000 pieces of content created during each earning period are eligible for bonuses. So, meaning, 90 days lang talaga itong bonus program nila. And then, yun nga, 3,000 pieces lang na content yung mayroong monetization. Then, ayan. So, dyan mo makikita. If ever may bonus program ka na. So, dyan mo din makikita. Ayan. Actually, ito nag-notify lang talaga sa akin yung Facebook na yun nga. Meron ng performance bonus or yung bonus program. So, after that, yun, nag-set up lang tayo. And then, akala ko nga, biro lang. Pero, totoo pala talaga na kumikita ka sa bawat post mo. Pag ikaw ay na-invite nga po. Ayan, so makikita mo rin kung sa bawat post mo, makikita mo kung magkano yung na-earn mo. O videos, so wala pa tayong videos na na-post. More on images tayo, wala ring text, wala ring links na share. So more on pictures kasi yung mga post natin. So kinikita din natin, ayan. As of today, meron na po tayo na-earn na 0.23 na earnings. So, ayan nga. Kung makikita nyo dyan, April 2 to May 3, 21 days left. Meaning kasi, every, halimbawa kung nakaabot na ito ng $100, pwede ka na maka-pay out. So, ayan, may 21 days left tayo. But I'm not sure kung makaya natin abutin o yung ganyan ka laki. Ayan nga, sa baba, kung makikita nyo, get paid. Final payments are calculated at the end of each month and paid about 21 days later. You must earn at least $100 to get paid. So, i-explore din natin paano nga ang payout kay Meta o yung performance bonus program nila. So, you may receive payouts from the performance bonus based on interaction. Yun yung sabi ko kanina. Paano nga ba? Ayan. So, ayun. Creators can refer to the bonuses tab to see their max earnings per month in the performance bonus program. Ayan. Ang payout, ayan. If you're based in the US, you'll be paid once a month after you reach the minimum balance of 5. So, kung wala ka daw sa US, your minimum balance to receive payouts may vary based on the payout method you choose when you set up your account. So, pwedeng PayPal, may PayPal naman tayo. Or local bank account, you'll be paid once a month after you reach the minimum balance of 25. Pero, makaya-kaya natin yan. Wire transfer, you'll be paid once a month after you reach the minimum balance of $100. So, ayun. The minimum threshold at the end, it'll be carried over the next month until it reaches. So kailangan talaga ma-reach natin yung minimum threshold for payout. Makaya yun. Kasi kapag hindi mo siya na-reach within a month, so hindi ka makaka-payout. So, ma-carried over siya on the following month. Payouts are released around 21 first of every month for earnings made in the previous month. For example, earnings made in January will be paid out around February 20. But as of now, hindi natin pa na reach ito. So, I don't know paano ito. Sana makaya natin yung minimum balance. Ayan, may mga violations din. Ayan. So, dapat, ang isa lang sinasabi dito, dapat original talaga yung iyong content para maging eligible ka for bonuses. Kumbaga, sa'yo talaga na mga post, gano'n. So, yun po. Yun yung tungkol sa ating performance bonus program payout. So, that's it. Thank you.